Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And here guys, I have this wireless speaker that we'll be looking at, and of course this will be unboxing. And this particular wireless speaker is the model number that can be seen here, and of course it's the S7-1 wireless speaker. You can pick this up on Amazon. I'll have it in the description. Alright, so of course it says it's a wireless speaker, and of course it says true wireless speaker. And the first thing you'll notice about this is that it's quite hefty in terms of weight. All right, so it does have some weight to it. And of course here it is, and it says here SSABX, and it comes with deep bass. It has a built-in mic. It has wireless 5.4 standard, and of course you can see the design here in this box. And as you see here, it shows the parameters, the model number, which is the S7-1, frequency range which is 0.0 to 15 M, wireless transmitter power is 2.402 to 2.480 gigahertz. The battery is a 3600 mAh charging case that comes with input 5 volts 1 amp. All right, so you can actually check out the device here. So it says create good sound. And what I like about this, guys, is that this one, which is the exact name, is the SSABX, right? It is very affordable, and as I said, it comes in at a great weight. It comes with waterproof, so it's actually waterproof. It also is a 30-watt dual speaker. It comes with 30 hours of playtime, and of course it comes with full color spectrum RGB. All right, so of course this is one of the ones that comes highly rated from Amazon, and of course it doesn't require that you break the bank. All right, so this is the unboxing. Later on I'll have the full-on review, so I'm just showing you what comes in the box. All right, so first of all, guys, I'm going to open this up. It's still sealed. It's the first time opening this up. If there's anything that you need to know specifically about this product, you can ask in the comments. All right, so we finally got the box open. All right, so here we go. This is the contents of the box, and here we have the instruction manual. It's in various languages. You have the English manual. This is the S7-1, gives 2-year warranty, as you can see here, and you can find the information about the speaker here. I'm going to open this up, and it basically gives you pairing instructions and information on how to operate the device. All right, so I'm going to put this aside. It comes with a cable, and of course, great, it's USB Type-C, and it also comes with the USB in here. It doesn't have a adapter, but I'm sure a phone adapter will work just fine. Wow, here you go. And this is the device itself, and as I said, it comes in at a very nice weight. Right, so of course we can tell that this comes with very heavy speakers. It has the function keys at the top here. You can see the section here. These buttons seem to be pressable. I'm not sure what's going on here. All right, on both sides. Of course, this is the base with the model number and the battery information. And of course, first impressions so far, very good. I'm liking what I see so far. And of course, it's very well put together. It's very well put together, and of course it has very nice features, and it looks very solid so far. I'm very impressed, and I'm really looking forward to testing this out. I'll have the full review with sound tests and everything in the next video. I'll link it in the description as well. So this is just the unboxing to show you what you get outside of the box. So you get the speakers themselves, you get this cable, and of course you get your manual that you can see here. All right, so far looks like a solid purchase. You can get this on a deal at roughly $20, or of course full price is roughly $30. All right, and the name as written here is the XBASS, so Xbass. All right, so it's a solid looking product, and I'll have the full review coming up next. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.